Number 8. The Konokyo 20 ounces. Tumbler is a versatile and practical addition to anyone's daily routine. With its sleek navy blue color and classic style, this tumbler effortlessly combines aesthetics with functionality. One of the standout features of this product is its spill-proof design, making it ideal for use during sports or any other physical activities. The inclusion of a removable handle adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing users to customize their experience based on their needs. Furthermore, the Konokyo tumbler's break-resistant and dishwasher-safe properties ensure durability and ease of maintenance, providing peace of mind to users. The insulated stainless steel vacuum structure of the tumbler guarantees optimal temperature retention for both hot and cold beverages, catering to a wide range of preferences. Overall, the Konokyo 20 ounces tumbler with handle and 2-straw 2 lid embodies quality, practicality, and style, making it a reliable choice for anyone seeking a well-crafted,